G'day my friends, how are you? So I've been building up this figure kit here by Masterbox. It's a really old one, 2007 release, and it's got this cool little Stalingrad evacuation, which will be perfect for my little Stalingrad, well, case blue diorama, and they fit perfectly here, so I've already measured it out. I'll show you what they look like. They've come up really good. I've been very busy lately because my poor cat here is dying of old age. Yeah, you're not happy, are you? So that's been really difficult for me because I really love the cat. But let's have a quick look at these figures here. And they've got them in sort of different levels of completion. And you see for a 2007 model kit, they aren't too bad. You know, they've got really nice little bottom parts here and stuff. See, this is another Masterbox figure. He's nowhere near as detailed or good. But these ones came up really nice. And I didn't really add any extra details. It's all out of the box. Except, you know, I added some, you know, a gun strap or whatnot. And these two here are a bit more advanced. So this is the guy that goes, he's the injured guy. He goes in that sort of bag there, and they've got the hands attached to it. So what I've done is I've just put some wire in there, and I've drilled out the bottom of their hands there. You've got to cut that hand off, which is good that they include the hand, because you can have these as just marching infantry instead of carrying a wounded soldier. But I drilled the hole out so we can actually get it really secure. But you can see they come up really good. The facial features are actually not too bad for a 2007 model. I added some decals for the shoulder insignia. But they're actually not too bad. Should come up really nice and go really well with that diorama. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this comes up in the end. It'll look cool, I reckon. Have these walking in the opposite direction, so they're taking some wounded infantry out, and we're bringing some more infantry in to fight for the bridgehead. All right, my friends, it's great to see you again. And hopefully Elsie doesn't die today or tomorrow. Hopefully she can live a little bit longer, but I just don't want her to suffer, and it's been really hard on me. So I'll speak to you again very soon, guys. Very soon. I'll make some really cool videos, and we'll look at some models, and we'll make some cool models. All right, guys. Bye.